Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Dr. Shahnaz Jannat, and today I'm going to talk about cranial bones. We can also call them brain case, or neurocranium. So why we need neurocranium or cranial bones? Because it protect our brain. So these bones are very important. So let's learn details about these bones. So our cranial bones are frontal bone. We have one frontal bone, then one occipital bone, one sphenoid bone, one ethmoid bone, and we have two parietal bones and two temporal bones. So we can see this frontal, occipital, sphenoid and ethmoid. These four bones, these are unpaired bones. And parietal and temporal, these two bones, these are paired bones. So we have total 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have total 8 cranial bones. Now first let's see our frontal bone. So this is the anterior view of our skull, and this orange color bone, this is our frontal bone. So we can see all our forehead covered by our frontal bone, and also roof of the orbital cavity made up by frontal bone. We can also see these green color bones, parietal bones, then these purple color bones, these are temporal bones. So now we will see temporal parietal bones. So this is the top view of the skull, and this is anterior side, and this is posterior. Now this, we know we have two parietal bones, 1, 2. So these two green color bones, these are parietal bones, and these two bones are connected each other with these joints, and this joint is called sagittal sutures. And we can also from top we can also see some part of our frontal bone and occipital bone. So now we will see our occipital bone. So this is the posterior view of our skull, and this blue color bone, this is our occipital bone. We have only one occipital bone, and this green color, these bones are parietal bones, and purple color, these are temporal bones. Now let's see temporal bones. If we want to see temporal bones clearly, we have to see lateral view. So this is the lateral view of the skull, and this is our temporal bone. This is right temporal bone. In left side we have another temporal bone, and this green color bone, this is parietal bone, and this is frontal bone, and this is occipital bone. Now we can see a new bone here, this pink color bone, this is sphenoid bone. If we want to see sphenoid bone clearly, we have to see the base of the skull. Now we'll see base of the skull. So this is the base of the skull, superior view of the base of the skull, and this pink color butterfly shaped bone, this is our sphenoid bone. And this is our occipital bone, this is frontal bone, ethmoid, then two temporal bones, and this green color, these are parietal bones. We can see these bones made our base of the skull. Now we will see our last cranial bones, that is ethmoid bone. So again, this is the anterior view of the skull, and we removed our nose and nose bones and cartilages, so we can see we can see the nasal cavity, and this is our ethmoid bone. So we can see our ethmoid bone made half of the nasal septum, and these two parts of the ethmoid bone made our superior nasal concha, and inferior nasal concha made up by different bones. So that's all about our cranial bones. So these are our cranial bones, 8 cranial bones, 1 ethmoid, then 1 sphenoid bone, then 2 temporal bones, then 1 occipital bone, then 2 parietal bones, and 1 frontal bone. So total 8 bones. So that's all for today. I hope you understand all the cranial bones very easily. And if you want more videos like this, then subscribe to my channel, and in my next video I will talk about facial bones or viscerocranium. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I will upload a new video. So take care. Allah Hafiz.